Welcome to the Learning Box by Puntoon Kids. And I'm sure all of you by now know the body parts of the butterfly. Do you all remember? I taught you all last time. Yes? Come on, let's quickly revise it. The butterfly's body is divided into how many parts? Come on, quickly tell me. Yes, you're right. 3 parts. And that's the head, thorax, and abdomen. It's divided into 3 parts. And how many wings does the butterfly have? Yes, you're right. The butterfly has 4 wings. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many antennae does the butterfly have? Yes, 2 antennae. 1, 2. And how many legs? You're right. 6 legs. And do you know what? Today, I'm going to give you a lovely surprise. You know what we are going to do? We are going to actually make a butterfly with clay. So, are you all ready? Come on, quickly make a note of what all do we need. Yes? So, we need clay. But we need 3 different colors of clay. Yes? Because the butterfly has 3 different body parts. Yes? And we need 6 small sticks for the legs. See, like this. You can cut it from a matchstick. And we need 2 slightly longer sticks. That's going to be for the antennae. And we need 1 long stick to put all the 3 parts together. And you can cut the wings out from some card paper, or if you have some plastic cover. So we need 4 wings. How many wings? 4 wings. So I want all of you to quickly run and get the different things that we need. We can start making the butterfly. So, are we ready? Did you get all your things that you need for making the butterfly? Yeah? So, come on, let's start. So, what's the first part? The head. So, let's make a small ball with the head. See? That's the head. And now, let's make the thorax. Yes, we'll make the thorax a little longer than the head. You know why? Because the legs of the butterfly and the wings of the butterfly are all in the thorax. Okay, in the chest, in the thorax. So let's make the thorax a little longer. Yes. Can we see? It's longer than the head. And finally, what are we going to do? We are going to make the third part with a different color, and we'll make it even longer than the thorax, because that's the abdomen. Yeah, it has a slight curve like this. Yes, so did we roll it and make a slightly longer abdomen? And now, what am I going to do? I am going to put the head on the thorax. And then I am going to put the abdomen. Yes, let's put the abdomen. And now, to make sure that all the parts remain together and don't come out, we'll take the long stick and pass it through and through the head, thorax, and abdomen, so that the body parts remain together. So how many body parts does the butterfly have? 3. Head, thorax, and abdomen. Now let's put the 6 legs. Come on, are we ready? Take the small sticks and put 3 on this side. 1, 2, and 3. So there are 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. 1, 2, and 3. So how many legs does it have? 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legs. 3 on this side and 3 on this side. And do you remember how many wings does it have? How many wings does the butterfly have? Yes, you're right. 4 wings. So we are going to put 2 wings on this side. 1 and 2. See, I've put 2 wings on this side. 1, 2. And I'm going to put 2 wings on this side. 1, we're going to push it into the clay so that it doesn't come out. And 2. Yes, so 4 wings. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wings. 2 on one side, 2 on the other side. And what's left now? Come on, tell me what's left. Yes, you're right. They smell with it. What are those? Antennae. So let's put the antennae. Should I put the antennae here down on the abdomen? No. The antennae will go in the head. 1 and 2. And there you go. Your butterfly is ready. Your butterfly is ready. Come on, let's sing for the butterfly. Butterfly, butterfly. Let's make this wing proper. Butterfly, butterfly, flying high. Butterfly, butterfly, up in the sky. Butterfly, butterfly, take me with you. Up, up, up in the sky so blue. So, did you all enjoy making your butterfly? I love doing it. I think it's looking so cute and also very, very pretty. Yes? So, if you all have enjoyed, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe.